Hey friends, this is Atif here. Well, and welcome to the new update on Algorand. On a daily time frame chart for the past several days, Algorand is moving inside this symmetrical triangle. By the way, we found the resistance here on 12th of March 2024, and after this big drop, you can see we got several ejections by the resistance, and we had a very big drop here on 13th of April 2024. We found the support, and we had a bounce here, we had another bounce here, and several touch points here at the support, and now the movement is very squeezed inside the support and resistance of this symmetrical triangle. And in today's video, we will analyze this move. And I would also like to show you a very massive breakout that has happened on the 7 days time frame chart from this very big falling wedge pattern. You can see that for the past several months, since after the month of Feb 2021, it was moving inside this very big falling wedge pattern. And after getting squeezed inside this wedge, finally we broke it out. And so far from this low to here, Algorand has rallied more than 302%, but could not break out this very long-term resistance zone that starts from 25 cents and goes to 30 cents that has been previously working as a resistance here and support here, resistance here, support here, and here support, and here as a support as well. And here for several weeks, it has been working as a support. And since it has broken it down in the month of November 2022, it is flipped into a very strong resistance. And you can see that since then, the price line is not able to break out this resistance on. And in today's video, we will also analyze this resistance on as well. And we will also watch this very massive resistance of Ichimoku bearish cloud. You can see that we have broken out the lower bands. And this time, after this short rally, the price line is also rejected by the upper bands of Ichimoku bearish cloud. And now it is again trying to break out the upper bands of Ichimoku bearish cloud resistance. But before starting this analysis, if you're not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. And if you would like to see how my trading signals work, then I've also shared the link for the trading signal report in the video's description. You just need to open that report. And if you would like to check or verify any trading signal, like this is a signal for Synapse, you just need to click on the link for the trade setup and it will take you to the trading views chart. And on this chart, you can see when I shared this signal, for example, in this case, I shared this signal on 2nd of March 2024. And you can also watch the complete trade setup as well, like this was the buying zone and sell target zone in the stop loss. And in order to see how the price line moved after sharing this signal, you need to click this button. And after that, it will show you how the price line moved up from the buying zone and rallied to the sell target zone. Within few moments, you will be able to watch how the price line moved up. You can see that the price line hit the sell target zone here. Then we had a bigger pump. Now let me to take you to the live chart of Algorand. And first of all, let me to show you the daily time frame chart. In here, for the past several days, Algorand is moving inside a symmetrical triangle. And right now, you can see that the movement is quite squeezed inside this symmetrical triangle. By the way, we found the resistance here on 12th of March, and after this big drop here on 3rd of April, when we had a bounce from this symmetrical triangle here, we found the support. And then you can see that while moving inside this support and resistance, now the price line is quite squeezed. The movement of the price line is quite squeezed inside this symmetrical triangle. Now, if the price line breaks down the support of this triangle, then target to the downside can be here. That will be approximately at 7.5 cents. And in case of breaking out the resistance, the target to the upside will be here at 41 cents. And in that situation, the pricing can also break out this very long-term resistance on that starts from 25 cents and goes to 30 cents. This is, by the way, quite a very long-term resistance on that has been previously working as a resistance on here from the month of September 2019 up till the month of January 2020. Then after the breakdown, it was flipped into a resistance zone, and after the breakout, it was again flipped into a support zone from the month of July 2020 up till the month of November 2023. It has been working as a support zone, and since we have broken it down in the month of November 2022, it is again flipped into a very strong resistance zone. Therefore, in order to continue this rally to the upside that must begin after breaking out this very massive resistance of falling wedge pattern, we will need to break out this resistance on that start from 25 cents and goes to 30 cents. Right now, you can see that it has formed this symmetrical triangle, and if the price breaks it out, then it can break out this resistance zone. And At the same time, you can see that on the 7 days time frame chart, we have also broken out a very massive resistance, the lower bands resistance of this Ichimoku bearish cloud, and now it is trying to break out the upper bands of this very massive resistance of Ichimoku bearish cloud. Once it will be broken out, then it will be flipped into a very long term support zone, and it can also lift the price line to the upside as well. Now, if we take a look at the final target for this very massive breakout from this big falling wedge pattern, that technical target is, by the way, here at the top of the wedge. That can be between $2.70 to $3. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.